wants to do some dancing. Dancing in mud.
Me! My most favourite thing in the whole world is jumping up and down in muddy puddles.
And if we're going to jump in puddles,
we must wear our boots.
Are you ready?
Yes! Dance, dance, dance in muddy puddles. Splish, splash, splosh, splish, splash. Dance, dance, dance in muddy puddles. Splish, splash, splosh, splish, splash. With a big splash here and a big splash there. Here a splash, there a splash, everywhere a splish, splash. Dance, dance, dance in muddy puddles. Splish, splash, splosh, splish, splash. This is such fun! We've got our little tent and we're all going to camp outdoors. Camping with our friends out in the forest. Let's all play outside. Looking out for birds and creepy crawlies. Shh, be quiet and hide. With a butterfly here and a buttercup there. Hide and seek, peek-a-boo, there's so much to see and do. Camping with our friends out in the forest. Let's all play outside.
What's it like out there, Daddy Pig? Is there any mud?
A little bit of mud, yes.
Oh my goodness!
Wow! So much mud!
Yes, well, it does say it can get a tiny bit muddy here sometimes.
A tiny bit muddy? I've never seen so much mud in all my life.
It's brilliant! Join in, everyone!